Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and both of my sinking fund binders. But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it, you guys. So the first binder that we are going to be starting with is going to be my cash envelope binder, which is the yellow binder here. So the first envelope we're going to be starting with is going to be groceries, and groceries is left with nothing. So today groceries is actually going to be getting stuffed with $100. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Next up we have eating out. Let me see if I can just put this behind. Okay, so we have eating out. Eating out is going to be getting stuffed this week with $100 as well. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Self-care, we have some money left in here, and normally what I would do with the leftover money is I will put it to the side and put it into my leftover envelope, but specifically just for this week I am going to actually keep the leftover money in here and just let it roll on over. So we are left with $55, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep this in here, and I'm not going to stuff this with anything extra today. And then next we have haircut. Haircut also has $20 left in here for my husband. I'm going to go ahead and keep this in here, and I'm not going to stuff it with anything today. And then next we have spending money, and spending money is going to be getting stuffed with $50. So we have a 20, 20, and a 10, so $50. And then for kids is also going to be getting stuffed with $50. So 20, 40, and 50. And then we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous also has, I want to say, $40 in here. So I'm not going to be stuffing miscellaneous with anything today. We're going to go ahead and let this $40 roll over. And then next up we have couponing as well. I will not be stuffing on today because we do have $50 in here, so I will go ahead and just roll that over as well. And then for gas is actually going to be getting stuffed with $100, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a $100 bill for the gas. And then here is my receipts envelope, and then my coins envelope. So that is everything that we are going to be stuffing in my cash envelopes. Next up, we're going to go ahead and start with the gold and white sinking fund binder. So the first envelope we have birthday. I'm super excited about birthday, you guys, because my husband, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but my husband and I, we both have the same birthday, and our birthday is next month, and we are so close to our goal amount, which is $5,000. So today birthday is going to be getting stuffed with $238. So we have 100, 200, 220, 230, 235, 36, 37, and 38. So let me just count this again just to make sure. So we have 1, 2, 220, 230, 235, 236, 237, and 238. So 238, gift inside of birthday. And then off camera, I'm going to go ahead and fill out my cash tracker sheet so that I can know how much I stuffed and on what day. So I'm just going to do that off camera. That way the video isn't too long for you guys. And then next up we have Christmas, and then Christmas is going to be getting stuff today with just $12. So we have 10, 11, and 12. And then homeschool is going to be getting stuffed with $7 today. So we have 5, 6, and 7. And then YouTube is going to be getting stuffed with $7 as well. So we have 5, 6, 7. For giveaway is going to be getting 15. So we're just going to grab a 10 and a 5. Car maintenance is going to be getting 13. And I'm so sad, you guys, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to use my car maintenance fund soon. But I am grateful that I do have a budget. So today we were at Sonic, and I have a Chevrolet Tahoe, and as I was bagging out about to get ready to leave, I completely forgot to flip my mirrors in so that I can bag out and not hit anything. So I bagged out, and I thought I still had space on the passenger side, and you guys, as I was backing out, I damaged my side mirror. So I don't know if my warranty is going to cover that, but I am going to call and see. If not, I know that will be an out-of-pocket cost. I'm not sure how much. It's not terrible, but at the end of the day, it's something that I most definitely want to get fixed, because if I don't, it's just going to annoy me. So I was a little sad about that today, but the positive in that is that I have a budget. So if I didn't have a budget, then I would probably be stressing a little bit, but I have a budget and I'm so grateful for that. But anyway, car maintenance is going to be getting stuff with $13. So we have 10, 11, 12, and 13. And then for car registration is going to be getting 13 as well. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we have YouTube taxes, and that is also going to be getting stuffed with 13. Okay, this right here is a little bit annoying. Okay, so we have 10, 11, 12, and 13 for YouTube taxes. And then for my cell phone is going to be getting stuffed with $19. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and $19 for cell phone. Okay, so that is everything that is going to be getting stuffed in the gold and white sinking fund binder. Now we're going to go ahead and move on over to my black sinking fund binder. So we're going to start with my daughter's envelope, which is Shania, and today she is going to be getting stuffed with $7. So we have 5, 6, 7. And then for my son's envelope, he is also going to be getting 7. So 5, 6, 7. And then we have mommy, which is myself. I am also going to be getting $7. So 5, 6, 7. Daddy, which is my husband, he is also going to be getting $7. 5, 6, 7. And then lastly, we are going to be stuffing Vacation, and Vacation is going to be getting stuffed with $25. So we have 20 and a 5. And I need to go ahead and switch out my bills in Vacation because it is kind of full right now. So that is the end of my video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, I will be very, very grateful if you will go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and your family. Leave me some comments down in the comment section. With that being said, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.